If you like to send CYLE, just click on the Metamask icon on the top right of your browser window. Open the menu and click on Add Token. Then choose Custom Token and enter the contract address, which you can find by clicking on Read Contract on your dashboard. Choose CYLE as token symbol and type in 18 in the following text field. Click on Next, Add Tokens, then Send. In the next window, choose the recipient address and type in the amount of CYLE you wish to send to the recipient account. Please note that you can only send amounts you actually have available. Click on Next, then on Confirm. That's it. For this video, we just sent CYLE to another account of ours, so we switch to the recipient account, and after the transaction is confirmed and the dashboard reloaded, we see the sent CYLE have been added to the recipient account.